Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can replace the cabin air filter in a Prius in about 2 minutes. Hopefully not having to pay anybody to do this. Super easy in these cars. Some of the cars have a little hatch in the back. If so, you can quickly release the latches on that, pull it off, and the air filter, as you can see, it will pull through that hatch. But all Priuses have in common a simple way to remove the entire glove box. Just pull this little shock absorber thing off, and then push the right latch in, go ahead and push the left latch in, and the whole glove box will remove. And this should probably be done every 2 or 3 oil changes. Once you get inside of here, you can see this little cap has a latch on the right side. It just pulls off. Now you see an airflow arrow. Air definitely comes in this chamber from above. And that's easily apparent from all the debris that you can see on top of the filter. And when the windows are closed, all the outside air that comes into the vehicle comes in through this filter. But what I can't show you in this video is just how bad some of these smell. And the reason is, when the air conditioning is on or the car is in recirculation mode, all the air from the passenger's breathing is circulated through this filter. Now you'll notice it looks like it sticks out a little bit. That is normal. And when you put the cap back on, just lock that tab in on the right side. It should feel a little snug, and that's what you want. Now to put the glove box on, you'll see the hinges are slotted. They're designed to snap back on to the car. You'll feel it push in. Once you've got that, now you need to get the latches pushed back through. Don't be shy. You're not going to hurt anything. Just go ahead and push the door closed a little bit. There you go. Now we'll snap this little shock absorber back on. And because I removed the access hatch, I'll go ahead and put that back on this one. And that's it. You're all done. If this helps you out, hope you'll give a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you know anybody else trying to do this, please do share this video. Thanks for watching.